Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make shakshuka today. This recipe is so versatile, good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Please check the description for all the ingredients and measurements. Let's get cooking. Okay, to make shakshuka, we have a little bit of a cutting to do. Okay, let's get started. We have a yellow and very dark sweet pepper. We have half a green bell pepper, half a red bell pepper, and we're gonna give him a good dice. Next, I'm gonna dice half a purple onion. Next will be a green onion on chopping block. I give him a good dice too. I'm gonna add the 4 cloves of garlic. First I'm gonna smash them and then I'm gonna mince them. To add a layer of a flavor to this dish, I finely chop some cilantro and add to the mix. Okay folks, now all the chopping is done. What we do is start with cooking with a medium skillet and put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil or whatever oil you prefer. Just heat the oil up and start with cooking. You have purple onion, that's what we cut earlier. We add it to the skillet, and when the onions are becoming translucent, we add our all other vegetables. So our onions are ready and all translucent. Then we put all the vegetables that we cut earlier to let them cook together. So we're sauteing this beautiful bell peppers. I mean, you can use all kinds of peppers. Okay, they are getting really to know each other, all these vegetables, and it's sauteing pretty good. We're gonna add this chopped garlic and give it a good stir. And right now you see the aroma. I mean, of the garlic almost filling the whole kitchen. Yeah, it's just really good. It's really coming together. We just maybe go for another 30-40 seconds. I have a little garden in the backyard. I had a few tomatoes left on the vine, which I got it today and basically added to this dish. So this is the one that came from my backyard, and this another piece. All the other ones is a canned tomato. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that we reduce the water. Okay, I guess it's a very good time to add our seasoning. Our seasoning is cumin, chili, paprika. So we're gonna add all those to the dish. And salt and pepper to the taste. I guess I have half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, but you can add more if you want to your taste. So I think I have the consistency of the sauce in such that I can add the eggs right now and let it simmer from here it takes another maybe a couple of minutes to finish this dish. I like to add some cilantro at this point, and then to make it a little bit more flavorful, and then add the eggs. So we're gonna add cilantro. I have some green onion chopped too, and that's gonna be really a good addition to this dish. So this is absolutely ready for eggs to go in, which I'm gonna do it right now. We have here 4 eggs today, and we just make a little bit of a kind of gap in between the vegetables, and basically throw these nice eggs in the pan. As I said, make a little bit of a valley or whatever you call it. And we have 4 eggs, which is good. Okay, eggs are in, and I think the best thing is to get it to the simmer, and make sure you cover it so that white portion of the egg is 100% cooked, and then we make sure that the egg yolks is still running. Let's check the mixture. Yeah, the eggs is getting there, and we need a little bit more to make sure it's 100% ready. So I can show you what's going on in this for now. See, as you see, the white portion of the egg is getting really cooked. A little bit more needed, but as you see, the egg yolks are still very runny, which is good, and we want it to be runny. At this point, I like to do some toast, because I want to try this with some nice multigrain bread, which is toasted and crusty. It's like a crusty bread that I want to use to serve this with. Okay, that's the time to check our dish. I think it's beautifully cooked. The egg yolks are running, egg whites are done, good. I'll serve some, and let's taste. It's beautifully done, and our toast bread is ready, and we just gonna dish it and then see how it tastes. Some nicely toasted multigrain. We add some jalapeno. Dish coming along pretty good. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Let's taste this. Let's dig in and see what we did today. Yeah, eggs are cooked truly. Just Just the egg yolks are still runny. If you can see it, that would be good. I'll try a bite and see how does it taste. This is good. The aroma, the taste, it's really good. The jalapeno, I love the jalapeno. It's very tasty. Thank you again for being here and watching. I hope you can follow and make comments and tell me which part of this dish was appealing to you, and how did you like it, and hopefully you can subscribe for future posting. Thank you again. Cheers. That's really good. The jalapenos are awesome. See you next time.